With holiday baking season in full swing, I am sharing a recipe with you today that you are going to love. I'm Brian Hart Hoffman, the editor-in-chief of Bake From Scratch, and I'm here to tell you that fruitcake sandwich cookies are amazing. Be the hero of your next cookie swap with this recipe. I can't wait to show you how easy they are. You are gonna love them. Let's go. We'll start things off in the bowl of the stand mixer that I have fitted with a paddle attachment. Not just any paddle attachment, but the rubber edge. It's my favorite, but a paddle attachment will work. Unsalted butter, hitting that bowl. Then we're gonna get our sugars in. I've got light brown sugar and granulated sugar. Let's get these combined and nice and fluffy. Now don't forget to stop and scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl. You wanna make sure everything's getting combined properly at each step of the way in the recipe. And now I'm adding eggs, one at a time. Get it fully combined before adding the next. Stop and scrape. Vanilla, because it's better that way. Now let's work on our dry ingredients. In a medium-sized bowl, I'm gonna sift together our flour, and I'm gonna add our other dry ingredients to this as well. We've got salt. We've got baking powder, baking soda, spices, cinnamon, and pie spice. This all works so well in this fruitcake cookie dough. With your mixer on a low speed, we're gonna gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture and let this cookie dough come together. Now let's add some good stuff to this cookie dough. I'm adding oats. I've got some dried cherries. And then you can't have fruitcake without your green and red candied cherries. Stop me when that doesn't sound right. Let me get them out of that bowl. Hold on. They're being difficult. There we go. And then almonds. And then gently combine. All right, let's scoop some cookie dough. I've got my baking tray with parchment and a spring-loaded scoop. Bring in that bowl of beautiful cookie dough. You are going to scoop. And when you scoop with a spring-loaded scoop, press firmly against the side of the mixing bowl. And then place on the tray 2 inches apart. And now they're off to a 350-degree oven to bake until the edges are golden brown and the tops are lightly browned. That's about 10 to 15 minutes. Then after the cookies are cooled, you'll start piping that cherry buttercream on. With your beautifully baked cookies nice and cool, you could eat them just like they are, or you could add a cherry buttercream to make a super fun and festive sandwich cookie. I'm using a French star tip, but you do you. You could even do a double decker of the filling if you want, go big. Indulgent, it's the holidays after all. Sandwich those together, place them on a festive holiday plate, and the crowd goes wild. Now they're ready to enjoy. I might just sneak one for myself before I share them with others. It is a baker's treat after all. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. The description to the video includes the link to the recipe and how you can be a part of the Bake From Scratch community. You'll want to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss another delicious moment with me as we have fun here in the kitchen. Now preheat your ovens, everybody. It's time to bake and enjoy these.